In this video, I'll detail how to turn off iPhone Findable after power off. Literally, if your iPhone is turned off or power off, then your iPhone will still remain findable. And that's why you see iPhone Findable after power off. So if you want to turn off this, so that when your iPhone is turned off, your iPhone will not be findable, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off your iPhone Findable after power off, what you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on your Apple ID account name. Now scroll down and click on Find My. Now once you selected Find My, you see Find My iPhone turned on. Then select that. Now there are 3 options available here: Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location. Now to disable or turn off iPhone Findable after power off, just come here and turn off Find My Network. Then you see what that says disable Find My Network. You will not be able to find your devices or item when not connected to Wi-Fi or mobile network when in power reserve mode or when shut down. Tap this. Then at the same time, come here and turn off Find My iPhone. When you disable Find My iPhone, you may be prompted to type in your Apple ID password. Then go ahead and do that and then disable this. Then once you have all this disabled, if you not press the side button and the full mode button together on your iPhone like this, then you discover that iPhone Findable after power off is no longer available. So that is how you can easily turn off your iPhone from being findable when it is turned off. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.